We all shower daily, but what if this simple habit could do more than just clean your body? Ancient cultures and modern science agree. A small change in your water temperature might transform your energy, mood, and even immunity. Let's explore why, without extremes or dogma. The Vikings ended their sauna sessions with icy plunges. Even Hippocrates, the father of medicine, used cold water to reduce fatigue. And Japanese monks practiced misogi, ritual cold purification. A 2018 study from the Journal of Medical Hypotheses found that cold showers may increase dopamine, the motivation molecule, by 250% for hours. It's not magic. It's your body's natural response to stress, controlled. No need to freeze. Start applying for 30 seconds at the end of your usual warm bath. I'm not asking you to torture yourself. Here's a safe way to try it. 1. Finish your normal warm shower. 2. Turn the water to cool, not freezing, for the last 30 seconds. 3. Breathe deeply. Focus on the sensation, not the discomfort. This mild stress trains your nervous system to adapt, like a muscle. Over time, you might notice better sleep, fewer cravings, or calmer mornings. If you have health concerns, skip this or consult a doctor. Your body, your rhythm, respect it. If you have heart conditions, Raynaud's syndrome, or hate the cold, skip this. Nature is wise, but we're all unique. Consult your doctor if unsure. Prefer warmth? Try a hot shower with 10 seconds of cool water on your face. It triggers the same reflex. So, cold showers, an ancient tool with modern benefits, but only if it feels right for you. Have you tried it? Share your experience below. And if you enjoyed this reminder of nature's wisdom, hit like and subscribe for more gentle health insights. Next week, how olive oil can replace your expensive moisturizer. Your journey to gentle wellness starts here. Click below